G'day Oz ATV rider, out on a local ride today. We are going to go left. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been out on the bike, so I'll just do a local run today. I've been pretty crook the last week or so. I feel like I'm going to get fatigued very quick today. It's been very hot and dry lately. 42 degrees yesterday in Ballarat, and it was one of the cooler temperatures in the state. A lot of suburbs around Melbourne were 45. There was one place northwest of us which was 48, I think. Yeah, I think we're looking at a top of 30 today, so not as bad. Now that's where I want to turn right there, isn't it? Yeah, we'll go this way. Stopped in a bad spot there, didn't I? Oh, what am I doing? Sitting down. Yeah, I'm going to be riding straight into the sun. It's about 8:30 in the morning, so the sun's just coming up still. Oh, mate. Yeah, a bit rusty. It's been a while. Get that body moving. And yeah, sat around doing nothing yesterday. Man, she was hot. Yeah, I'll be just taking it nice and steady today. I'm on my own. Already seen some wallabies. What have we got here? Turn right. Oh, is that asbestos? Yep. Bloody hell. People come and dump their asbestos out here. Righto, what's this like? Pretty good. These were really deep ruts up this track. Fixed it up. These are gullies along the side of the road here. Old trenches. A lot of gold mining back in the day here. Right, we'll go down and have a look, see what Sawpit Creek looks like. Oh, the creek is dry. Yeah, this is a creek here. Normally has water in it. Bit of smoke in the air. There's been some bushfires around. I checked all the fires yesterday, there was nothing close. I should have checked again this morning though. Bloody hell, more rubbish. Far out. This area is bad for rubbish being dumped, burn out cars, that kind of thing. Yes, I've been doing a bit of work to the BSA. I've got some videos coming out. I've got 3 so far. They're coming out once a week. That'll soon catch up, and there'll be a gap, I'm guessing. I don't want to get too far in front with my videos to what I'm actually doing, because I am hoping to get some advice along the way, because I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm taking my time with it, trying to learn as much as I can as I go. Yeah, I'd like to say I'm enjoying the experience so far. It is interesting. Oh, bloody hell. Now, yeah, that's my hill there. We'll go up this way. Okay, we'll take the grassy hill. Yep. I know you hear this on YouTube all the time, but people going on about their camera doesn't do the tracks justice, how steep they are. This is one of those hills. Like, I've recorded it several times and it looks like nothing, but I can guarantee you it's pretty damn steep. First problem is seeing where it is. Oh, get over that side. Oh. Where are you? Track this way. Yeah, cool. Yeah, that one there, steeper than it looks. I'll set a camera up there Try and set it up level. Might give you a bit more of an idea. Let's go. Yeah, I'll see what that low down camera looks like on this same hill. Okay, let's get moving. Stuffing around. My Facebook page has really taken off in the last couple of weeks, so go check that out if you haven't already. You can follow me there. A lot of updates on the BSA. Been putting quite a few reels up lately. Yeah, I had one that really took off, 170 something thousand views. Last time I come down here it was very wet. It was a very steep rut. Yeah, look at this bloody, am I in the right spot here? I want to get over this right side. It's just chewed up there. Might see if we can get up to that centre. Yeah, we're good. What a mess. What's the best way to go here? Should I have a look at it or just go? I'll have a quick look before I get myself stuck. Oh yeah, I'm all good. Check this out. Imagine when this is full of water, how soft that would be. Look at that. You can see paw prints from roos, I'm guessing. Yeah, this is why you don't just go flying through water. You don't know how soft it's going to be. Look at the butterflies. Yeah, little paw prints in there. Look at that, it's sunk right in there. That looks more like a dog. Wow. So there'll be a track on my right up here, going uphill. I'll look for that one. Right there. Okay, see what we can find up here. Okay. Should we go? Yeah, we'll go check this out. I've been down here before and it was blocked by a fallen tree. We'll go and have a look. See what it looks like. Oh, that looks boggy in there. Oh, far out. Oh, nearly went down. We're still on the track, I think so. Alright, geez. Oh mate, I'm slowing up because I know that fallen tree was around here somewhere. I reckon this will be hard work in the wet. That is it there. It looks like there's a track around it. Yeah, that was much more overgrown when I came here. I didn't know where the truck went either at the time, so I wasn't going to worry about busting through that just to find it didn't go anywhere. Oh, look at this, I found some water. Wow, how deep do you reckon that is? Look how steep the end of it is. Whoa, and it's soft. Just check out how quick this landscape changes. Into the bush again. Okay, we're going to see if we can find blue waters. Yeah, if you talk to some of the locals, they used to come swimming here a lot. They recommend you don't. There's a lot of broken glass in there, and it's very high in minerals, which isn't good for you apparently. Must be the wrong kind of minerals. This is left over from an old mine. Looking at the rubbish, people come swimming here still. Swim air mattress, swim ring. Someone's gone to Kmart and bought some swimming gear. They got fishing gear there too. Must have done a bit of fishing in there. Yeah, anyway, I don't know if I'd go in there. It doesn't look too appealing to me. And now come down and have a look at the campground. What do we got? We're all roped off. The truck used to go through there, got washed away in floods a few years ago. She's dry, alright. Look at all the diggings, people digging for gold. Wow. Be really cool to ride up this riverbed, but there's heaps of fallen trees across it. Big suspended one up there. Yeah, everyone's had a dig in here. Like, you think you got a campground there, people are going to come right here and dig, so it's not likely to be anything. But you get floodwaters, new stuff washes in. There we are. Holes everywhere. Look at that. That tree looks ready to fall. Oh man, I reckon it's time to call it a day. Hope you've enjoyed riding around my local area. There's some great tracks out here. Great place to explore. There is lots to find here. Lots and lots of old mine shafts and diggings and stuff. And lots of new new diggings. I reckon I can get up that hill. I've looked at that so many bloody times. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Let's see if we can get up this hill. Fuck, it looks pretty nasty, doesn't it? Wow, that loose gravel at the end got me. Shit, that's going to be a prick, isn't it? Oh, mate. I focused on that. So should I go left or right? And I thought, no, I'll just go right. I didn't realise how loose this shit is. What do? Turn it around and go back down, or try and go up from there? I would have been better off going that way. It's a bit better grip. I'll drag it around. Further I get that round, the easier it will be to lift. Let's try again. Whoa. God, far out. That's part of why I slowed up too, because I knew what the end was like. I nearly ran straight in the other embankment. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I will see you next time.